Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you, my dear student? Today we will complete our chapter, addition and subtraction. And today we will take only problem solving exercise 2H. Number 1, 2, 3, we will solve it together. 3, 4, 5, this you can do it as a homework. Okay? Here, this one. Problem solving skills, extra information. So when we start solve any problem, we have extra information. We didn't use this information. So we ignore this extra information and we use only the information we need or the important information. So here solve using addition or subtraction. Use only the information you need. The painters of 25 buildings have to complete the work in 30 days. They need 423 cans of white paint and 678 cans of red paint. So how many cans of paint do they need in all? So here what we will do. This is extra information. We ignore this. I put line here. The painters of 25 buildings have to complete the work in 30 days. Here, this is important information. We take our information from here. They need 423 cans. So this is first statement. They need 423 cans of white paint. And means plus, okay? And what? 678 cans of red paint. So here what we will do, we will add, we decide to add. First, we read the information. We find the important information we have. We read the problem, sorry. So R, you remember. And we find the important information. This is the important information. And we decide what we will do. And we start solve and we check, okay? So here I decide, I read the information and write the important. I read the problem, sorry, and write the important information and decide here to add. So 3 plus 8, it is 11. 1 carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. So 0 and carry 1. 1 plus 4, it is 5. 5 plus 6, it is 11. So here they need 1,101 cans in all. Next one, a large stadium can hold 1,000 people, 10,000 people. One day, they were 5,050 people, of which 2,976 were women. So how many were men? So what we will do here, this extra information, this one. So we will not use this. We start important information from here. They were 5,050 people, of which 2,976 were women. So how many were men? So this is the first information. One day they were 5,050 people. This total number of people. Type. Here we have 2,976 women. So this is the second important information. 2,976 were women. So what is the number of men? So what we will do, we will decide to subtract and start subtract now to find the number of men. 6 and 0. So you cannot subtract 6 from 0. So you can borrow 1 from 10th place, from 5. 5 will be 4 and this 0 will be 10. Now try 6. Take away 6 from 10, it will be 4. Now 7 and 4. You cannot subtract 7 from 4. Why? Because 4 is smaller than 7. Because of that, I will borrow 1 from 100 place. But in 100 place, 0. So I cannot borrow 1 from 0. I will borrow 1 from 1,000 place. So I will regroup here from 1,000 place to 100 place. So if you borrow 1 from 5, 5 will be 4, and this 0 will be 10. Now I can borrow 1 from 10. So this 10 will be 9, and this 5 will be 15. Now you can subtract 7 from 15. After 7, count till 15. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the answer will be 7. Now you can take away 9 from 9, it is 0. And you can take away 2 from 4, it will be 2. Last year, for wedding that was to be attended by 750 people, the decorators had to use 1,250 flowers. So first, this is extra information. The wedding that was to be attended by 750 people, we didn't use this in anything. So this is extra information, we ignore. But what we will use here, the decorators had to use 1,250 flowers. This is a total number decorators want to use to make the hall, to design the hall. If they had already used 985 flowers, so the total number he used 1,250, but he already used 985. So how many more did they have to use? And how many more from here, from 985 to reach to 1,250. So now I read the problem. Now I will write the important information. The decorator had to use 1,250 flowers. This is the first statement. Second, they had already 985 flowers. So if you subtract, you can find how many more did they have to use. So here I will subtract. Take away 5 from 0, you cannot. So borrow 1 from 5. 5 will be 4 and this 0 will be 10. Now take away 5 from 10, it will be 5. Here 8 and here 4. But you cannot subtract 8 from 4. Because of that, I will borrow 1 from 100 place. So 2 will be 1 and this 4 will be 14. Now take away 8 from 14. So count from after 8 till 14. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it is 6. Now again here we have problem. We cannot subtract 9 from 1. Because of that I borrow 1 from this one. So this one will be 0 and here it will be 11. Now you can subtract 9 from 11. After 9, count till 11. After 9, 10, 11. Only 2. So they only need 265 flowers. So this is our lesson for today, my dear. Thank you and see you next class.